Okay, so this video will demonstrate how to survey the breast using the radial, anti-radial and cross-hatching technique. I'm going to start with the cross-hatching technique. In order to survey the breast with this technique, you use the axilla as a starting point. We will have the probe positioned in the transverse plane. Again, using the axilla as a starting point, slide inferiorly until the bottom of the breast tissue, all the way down, and then superiorly until you reach the starting point. You then, with the probe, you then slide the probe slightly medially, repeating that survey, going all the way inferiorly and then superiorly, ensuring that you're overlapping each segment slightly. So continuing medially until you've cleared the breast tissue. And then you return to the starting position, and this time orient your probe in the longitudinal plane, sweeping medially all the way out of the breast tissue, then returning to the starting point and sliding inferiorly, again overlapping the breast tissue to ensure that you're not missing any pathology. So repeat this, sliding medially and then laterally and then moving inferiorly, and repeating that all the way until you've cleared the breast tissue. Okay, so using the radial technique, where again we're going to be using the nipple as a central point and using the nipple to indicate 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, etc. on the breast. So starting in the longitudinal plane, have the non-marker end pointed at centrally towards the nipple and the marker end pointed at 12 o'clock, and sweep in a clockwise position until you've cleared the breast, and you will do this twice. Once you've repeated that twice, you will slide superiorly and then repeat around the breast to make sure that you're properly surveying the inner and outer breast, and for larger breasts you'll continue until all aspects of the breasts have been surveyed. For the anti-radial, your starting point is the same, however you'll be in the transverse position, and you'll be sweeping out all the way of the breast tissue towards the 12 o'clock and then returning to the nipple and angling the probe slightly so that it's now facing 1 o'clock. You'll sweep all the way out, returning to the nipple, angling slightly so that it's at 2 o'clock at this point, and you'll be repeating this survey, angling to the different o'clocks, going all the way out, back to the nipple until you return to the 12 o'clock position.